How are you, my good people? Welcome to my platform. This is Sichamba Jacob. All right, so I've got a question here on logarithm. So this is a logarithmic equation right over here. They're saying find the value of x. We have been given log base 3 of x power 2 plus 2 log base 3 of x minus 1 is equal to 1. So how do we get to solve an equation like this one? So to answer this equation, we must consider 3 laws of logarithms. So let's have a look. So these are the 3 laws of logarithms. The first one is log over 1 is equal to 0. So why are you able to see down here? It's base 10. When you're unable to see a number, just know that you're dealing with the base 10. So log base 10 of 1 is a 0. So whichever base that we may have here, for as long as it's a 1 which is here, it will still give us a 0. Even base 5, base 3, whichever base that we may have here, it will still give us a 0. So in this case, we are dealing with a 3, base 3. So at some point, it will give us a 0. The other property which we need to know, it's right over here, which says that when you've got we've got an entry in front of a log and another one right here. So it is a log b. So what it says here, it says that this, whatever element is here, must become a power. It will come right here. And this is how it is. For as long as it's in front of the log, it becomes a power. So this is the second property. The third property which we need to know is that when we are adding logs, so log of a plus log of b, these two will turn into multiplication. You just write log and then you say a times b. You multiply the entries which are inside here. Okay. So now let's try to work out this and apply the property. I'll be mentioning the property to apply to whichever spot that we reach. So here we are going to copy everything. So that is log base 3 of x power 2 plus a 2 log base 3 over x minus 1 is equal to a 1. Okay? So that's the first step. We just write. I know we are supposed to apply either here or here the property which says that this power must come in front, or here it must come here, but we'll just leave it like this. Okay? So we shall say log base 3 of x power 2 plus 2 log base 3 of x. We just multiply this log by everything. In other ways, we get rid of the brackets. So it will be negative log or minus 2 log base 3 over a 1 is equal to a 1. Can you see somewhere where we need to apply one of the properties? It's right over here. So property number 1 can be applied over here because we said log regardless of the base, log base 3 of 1, it will give us a 0. So you can see here. So all these will give us a 0. And if we say 2 times 0, it will still be a 0. Okay? So that one we've passed. The next thing will be right over here to just group the like terms. Okay? Or to simplify. So to arrange our work nicely. So we have this, and this is a 0, so we just say equal to a 1. We will ignore this, it's a 0, it has gone. So you see, there is a point where we need to apply the second property, which is right over here. This is the second property where whatever is in front here becomes a power. So if you're able to see nicely, we've got a 2 here. So we're going to write this as log base 3 of x plus, this will come this, it will be log, actually there's a power 2, log base 3 of x power 2 is equal to a 1. Like that. So now from this stage, we can apply the third property, where we shall say log base 3 of what? Of x power 4 is equal to a 1. So, since it's addition, we get the log base 3, and when we multiply x squared times x squared, it will give us x power 4, using property number 3 here. Okay? So now, from this stage, I'm running out of space. Let me clear here. From this stage, we shall say log base 3 of x power 4 is equal to a 1. This is what we have. So to solve, we shall say x power 4 is equal to a 3 power 1. So this is how it is done here. This 3 will come this side, and then this will turn into a power. So to solve for x, we know that 3 to the power 1 is just a 3. We apply the inverse. So this and this will go. We shall remain with x is equal to 3 power 1 over 4. This is our solution. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share the video, subscribe if you are watching it on my YouTube channel, follow me on my Facebook page, my TikTok. This has been Sichamba Jacob. Bye-bye.